In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip image in Excel. Flipping an image creates a mirror version of it, either left to right or top to bottom. It's perfect when a picture faces the wrong direction, when you need a mirrored logo, or when you want a simple visual adjustment without editing in another app. We'll keep this quick and clear, using the built-in tools in Excel. First, make sure the image you want to flip is selected. Click the picture once. You'll know it's selected when small sizing handles appear around the edges. If you don't see those handles, click again directly on the image, not on the cell behind it. This part matters because Excel only shows picture-specific tools when a picture is actually selected. If you still don't see anything change, try zooming in a bit so it's easier to click exactly on the image. With the image selected, look to the ribbon at the top of Excel for the Picture Format tab. It may also appear as Picture Tools, depending on your version. On that tab, find the Rotate command. The Rotate button usually lives in the Arrange group and looks like a small curved arrow. If your window is narrow, it might be tucked into a drop-down labeled Rotate. The key detail is that this button controls orientation changes for the selected picture. Now choose your flip. Select Flip Horizontal to mirror the image from left to right. This is great when a subject is facing the wrong way or when you need a reversed version of a graphic. Alternatively, choose Flip Vertical to mirror the image from top to bottom, essentially turning it upside down relative to its original orientation. Remember, flipping is different from rotating. Rotate spins the image by degrees, while flip mirrors it across an axis. If the result isn't what you expected, use Undo to revert instantly and try the other flip option. A few helpful notes as you work. Flipping doesn't change the image's size or quality. It only reverses the orientation. If your image contains text, flipping will mirror the text too, which may make it unreadable, so double-check before finalizing. After flipping, you can drag the image to realign it with your worksheet content and use the sizing handles if you need to adjust its dimensions. That's all there is to it. Click the image, use the Rotate command on the Picture Format tab, and choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. With these simple steps, you can quickly mirror any picture right inside Excel.